Number 1 on page 762. A bicyclist travels 21 miles in 1 hour and 45 minutes. What is the average velocity during the entire time interval of 1 hour, 1 3/4 hours? Now, it's important to note why they changed 1 hour and 45 minutes to 1 hour, 1 3/4 hours. And that's because they're intimating to you that they want the speed in miles per hour. So they converted 45 minutes to 3/4 of an hour. So what we're looking at here is the idea that the average velocity is the change in the distance from where we started to the change in time. So in this case, we changed our distance by 21 miles and over a time interval of 1.75 hours. And when we simplify this, we get that our average velocity is 12 miles per hour.